Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure Alight Motion is installed and has storage access because you'll import a preset instantly. First, save the preset file to your device or cloud. Once it's downloaded, open Alight Motion and tap Projects, then Import. Choose the JSON or AMPROJ file. The app reads settings and assets. As you import, watch the asset list populate. This is how the preset brings key motion, layers, and effects into your project. When import finishes, tap the new project to enter the editor and continue. Once done importing, place the preset composition on your timeline and start mapping it to your clips. You'll replace placeholders first. Swap text, images, or video layers so content matches. Then adjust scale, position, and timing. Use keyframes to align animation curves with your footage. Make subtle changes to opacity and blending. This preserves the preset look while fitting your shot. If effects appear too strong, reduce values by 10–30% and preview at 1x speed to confirm smooth motion. To finish, export a short test at 720p 30 fps to verify motion timing and audio sync. Once satisfied, export your final at desired resolution. If assets are missing, relink files in project settings or re-import the preset. Missing fonts or images are usually the cause. For stuttering or lag, clear app cache, restart Alight Motion, or lower preview quality. This often resolves playback problems. Make sure to save a duplicate project before major edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.